In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to do a jump cut in CapCut. Jump cuts are a fantastic editing technique to quickly remove unwanted sections of your video, clean up pauses, or create a seamless flow of action. Whether you're working on a vlog, a tutorial, or any other kind of video content, mastering this technique can take your editing to the next level. And the best part, CapCut makes it simple and user-friendly, even for beginners. If you don't already have a CapCut account, you can use the link in the description to download and get started. All right, let's dive right in and learn how to make those precise cuts. First things first, open the CapCut desktop application. Once it's up and running, take your video file and drag it directly into the timeline area. This step is important because by placing your video in the timeline, you're working with the actual sequence, and any edits you make will immediately show up in your preview. It's a simple yet essential step to set the foundation for your edits. Now, position the playhead. That's the vertical line you see in the timeline, which shows your current preview point at the beginning of the section you want to remove. This playhead is your guide, and by aligning it with the exact starting point of the section you want to cut, you can ensure precision. Take your time here to make sure it's right where you need it. Once the playhead is in position, click on the split button located in the timeline toolbar. Alternatively, you can press the B key on your keyboard to activate the blade tool. Using this tool will slice your clip into two separate sections at the exact spot where the playhead is positioned. Keep in mind, precision is key. If the playhead isn't perfectly aligned, you may end up leaving behind a few unwanted frames, so double-check before you make the cut. Next, move the playhead to the end of the section you want to remove. Just like before, make sure it's aligned with the exact frame where the unwanted portion ends. Once it's perfectly positioned, click the split button again or press the B key to create another cut. This will separate the unwanted section from the rest of your footage. Now, click on the middle clip, the section you want to remove, to highlight it. Once it's selected, simply press the delete key on your keyboard, or if you prefer, click on the delete icon within CapCut. And just like that, the unwanted section is gone. Your video will now jump seamlessly from the action before to the action after, creating that clean, professional-looking cut. If you're finding it tricky to make precise cuts, you can zoom in on the timeline for a closer view. This can be really helpful when you're dealing with small adjustments or tight edits. By zooming in, you can ensure your playhead is positioned exactly where it needs to be, giving you tighter control over your edits. For those of you needing to remove multiple sections of your video, the process is the same. Move the playhead to the start of the unwanted section. Make your first cut, then move the playhead to the end of that section. Make another cut and delete the segment. Following this method allows you to clean up any dead space, pauses, or mistakes throughout your video. Just repeat these steps as many times as necessary to get the result you're looking for. Now, let's talk about fixing any errors or fine-tuning your edits. If you make a mistake at any point, don't worry. You can always use CapCut's undo function to step back and correct it. Additionally, if you need to refine your cuts further, you can click and drag the edges of the remaining clips to adjust their length. This flexibility ensures that you can tweak your edits until everything looks perfect. And that's about it. Jump cuts are an incredibly useful tool to streamline your videos and keep your audience engaged from start to finish. By following these steps in CapCut, you can easily remove unwanted sections, create smooth transitions, and polish your content like a pro. So now you know exactly how to do a jump cut in CapCut. If you have any questions or tips of your own, feel free to share them in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please like and subscribe.